Why do we have a fever? Have you ever wondered why sometimes, when you're not feeling well, your forehead feels warm to the touch and you just know you have a fever? Let's embark on our journey today to uncover the mystery of fevers. Imagine your body as a castle. Yes, a grand castle with strong walls and guards. Now, these guards are called the immune system. When tiny invaders like germs try to sneak into your castle to make you feel sick, the immune system sounds an alarm. This alarm is actually quite clever. The body raises its temperature to make it uncomfortable for those pesky germs because many germs prefer to live at our normal body temperature. A fever helps in making things hotter and less cozy for them, urging them to leave the castle. Now, how does this all happen? In our brain, right above our eyes, we have a special place called the hypothalamus. This part of the brain is like a smart thermostat. Normally, it keeps our body at a comfortable temperature. But when it gets messages from the guards saying, "Hey, we have an intruder," the hypothalamus raises the temperature setting. It's a truly fascinating system when you think about it. While the temperature rises, it signals to your body to kick into high gear. The immune system starts working extra hard to build more warriors, called white blood cells, to fight off the invaders. However, this fiery defense method isn't just done on a whim. A mild fever is quite helpful because it means the immune system is doing its job. But if a fever gets too high, it can sometimes make the castle, your body, feel uncomfortable. Drinking lots of water, resting, and loving care usually help the body recover its normal balance, allowing the hypothalamus to bring back that cozy, normal temperature. In essence, a fever is like a smart hero in disguise, an impressive display of teamwork inside your body to help fend off attackers, protect your health, and keep you safe. Isn't it amazing how our bodies are equipped with such fantastic systems? So, next time you feel that warmth and experience a fever, remember your body is being a brave and clever defender, hovering spiritedly to keep the pests away. Stay hydrated, rest peacefully, and let your body work its natural magic.